Okay folks, I'm just on my way to pick Jack Todd up. He's ordered a Kral Empire X from Solware in near Tamworth. So within the next hour we should be there and picking his new rifle up. So we'll see you in a bit. Right, I'm picking Jack up now. We're just off to Solware, aren't we, Jack?
Yes, we are indeed.
So like I say, within 50 odd minutes we'll be down at Solware and Jack will be picking his rifle up. And that's the Kral
Empire
X, a bottle rifle.
It's got puncture on it as well on the side of the stock.
But they now do them in synthetic as well. I noticed. I went on the website.
Yeah.
You're getting the
21
walnut, aren't you?
Yeah, 21 inch barrel as well.
Yeah, should be quite interesting. Nice little rifle. Alright, we just arrived at Solware. Probably about 50 minutes to get here. But not be long now. Right, I'm in Solware now with Jack. And just check out what he's got in front of him now. So Jack's got a Reximex Pretensus in front of him. Some of the new ones that's just come in. This one's the orange and grey laminate. 177 this one. Side lever action. Power adjustment there. Crossbolt safety. Match trigger on them. Fantastic looking rifle.
The blue one.
And they've also got, comes in a laminate blue as well. And I believe they're 595. Okay, next one on the list that's Jack's holding is the X here, and this one it's got a wrap on it and really nice looking.
And a shroud as well.
Yeah. This one is regulated as well. These are 695, you say, and the standard ones, which is just a black, are 645. But really good quality rifle. Got your match trigger on again. Fill it with your bottle just there. Side lever action. See, 285cc air tank on that, and it's threaded for 1/2 inch UNF silencer as well. Picatinny rail on top.
Power adjuster.
Yeah, you got adjusters for the power, I believe spring as well. But yeah, really nice rifle. So as you can see, that one's like a camouflage black and grey, and you've got one there in a camouflage, same thing. And there's one of the staff members at Solware. Look at the standard of that. Again, £695. Multi-shot magazines in 177 is 14, 22 would be 12.
Yes.
Don't do 25 yet, do they? Unless it's a FAC.
Order only.
Yeah, they're really nice.
2 multi-shot magazines, a single shot tray,
yeah,
and a quick fill adapter.
Now the Mito pistols, they've come in today, haven't they, with the new laminates as well. This one's the grey laminate pistol grip. They also come in walnut, red and blue, and orange and grey. So very nice again. Also come in their own cases. There's the blue one. Lovely colour to that one. Standard price for these. What we got?
If you can hang on 5 minutes, you might bring me back. You might be on the phone.
Just going to find out for us.
Alright, so we've got £500 on the laminate,
yeah,
£400 on the synthetic, and £430 on the walnut.
And the synthetic also comes with a stock.
Yes,
yeah,
detachable stock.
Yeah, so really nice pistol. Probably one of the best PCPs for the price there. Very nice.
Yeah, we do stock new ones.
One of the new brands from Turkey, Reximex.
Also feature a dual rail as well, so it's irrelevant as to what mount you use.
That's right. That's one of the great features with hats and Kral and Reximex, isn't it? They should all do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you've got 9 to 11 dovetail and weaver Piccadilly.
Yeah.
Biathlon lever.
Yeah.
Funky safety.
That's right.
Fully
Yeah.
adjustable trigger.
Strange safety on that. Is that for fire?
Yeah, so fire's down, safety's up.
Safety's up. Yeah, unusual.
So you've got 2 adjustments. You've got your power adjuster.
Yeah.
You've also got your
Not
spring
massive,
adjuster.
but we have sold quite a
Right.
few and had no issues.
Yeah, because they're quite cheap, aren't they?
So the only difference between these and the FAC, we've got a regulator adjuster there, but because this is sub 12, it's been blanked off.
It was about 500.
But regulated, it's gonna. I would imagine you're gonna get a few hundred shots with that, aren't you?
It's just lever. You can swap it over.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a question. You know my X Empire, can the lever be swapped?
It's a good question. It's a good question.
We'll soon find out.
But I've tried to look for
Yeah,
some
that is the
pictures.
Reximex.
On the other side.